What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michelle, and I'm gonna hop straight into this video because I didn't realize how bad my sound was. And my intro, you couldn't hear anything, so we're gonna get straight into it. What I'm doing first is I'm gonna take my got to be gel. I would think it's a gel, and I'm gonna put that on my edges and sleek my edges back. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I said that in my intro, but like I said, it was very terrible. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see on my channel, and yeah, let's get into this video. Well, we kind of already into it, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take your glue or your spray and lay down a cap. I found that using glue is way much better for me because my hair do come up a lot when I use Gatsby spray, so I use the glue now to keep the cap down for maybe like a week, because with the Gatsby spray my hair only lasts for like 2 days. So yeah, use your glue and sleep down the cap. When your glue is completely dry, the next thing you want to do is take the foundation or concealer of your choice and add it to your cap to make sure it blends into your skin and give you that scalp look, you know, that everybody be wanting. Yeah, just make sure it's super blended, okay? While we let that sit, we're gonna start adding another leftover foundation to your wig, to the lace part, so that can also blend in real nice and sleek, you know, giving scalp, giving Ariel Tay type vibes, you know. Okay, so I realized I didn't record myself cutting the cap. I wouldn't recommend doing that anyways, but now I'm just taking that same boho glue and I'm putting the glue where I want the lace to lay, and I'm adding 3 layers of this. First I'm letting every layer completely dry, then adding another layer, which is gonna be 3 layers. And yeah, just put your wig up there and you will see what I do next, because I don't know step by step for real. Oh, I'm cutting them little edge pieces off, you know, the thick ass pieces that be on the end of the lace when they give it to you. Yeah, cut those pieces off because you don't want that on there. But yeah, don't cut y'all cap, because at the end of the day that junk didn't stay. I end up having to go under there and cut it off anyway. So yeah, don't cut your cap if you do wear a cap, which is not necessary. I don't think it's necessary for a closure to wear a cap. So yeah, just a good tip for you. All right, now that those layers are dry, you're just gonna pull your lace up to the front and get you a comb and comb that lace back and make sure that glue is sticking into that lace, baby, so it can give you scalp. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm just put it in a ponytail and put the scarf on. I did overpluck a little bit, so if you see this wig look a little bald in the front, that's my fault. It does not come like that. The wig does come pre-plucked, and you don't really have to pluck it, really. Sorry if y'all hear my brother in the back, he's playing his game, but you don't have to really pluck. So if you don't know how, don't do it. But now I'm just doing my makeup, which is nothing really. I'm just doing my eyebrows, a little eyeshadow, a little eyeliner, and then I'm done. Alright, now that we're done putting on a little makeup, we're about to take this scarf off and get back into this lace. I'm about to cut this excess lace off. We'll brush it back first a little bit, then start cutting your excess lace off and get your baby hairs out and get them ready. I'm not that good at baby hairs, so don't follow my instructions, okay? But I do like to start it off with some mousse, and they do look kind of like stringy at first, but once they're done, what the fuck, Aiden? Alright, like I was saying, they do look stringy at first, but once they dry up, you could just use a spoolie to fluff them out, and they'll look like some regular baby hairs, you know. But right now we're just cutting that excess lace off. Make sure you don't cut your real hair, because I'm the type to do that, okay? I know it might look like a straight line right now, but it's all gonna be good once we pour the baby hairs up out of her. Alright, so as y'all can see, we didn't pour the baby hairs out. What we're gonna use is the baby hairs or whatnot. Twisted them up, and why did I say it like that? Twisted them up, and now we're about to put the scarf on and let that sit for a minute so the baby hairs can lay a certain way. Okay, so after 50 million tries, I could not get the baby hairs right, but this is what we're gonna have to work with. Now I'm about to just flat iron my hair, well, put some curls in it, some soft curls, because it looks a little messy right now. But yeah, I'm just add some soft curls in it, and that's gonna be the end of this video for real. And so y'all wait, I took some of the baby hairs away and I spooled them, and it looks 10 times better. Your girl is in love with this one, okay? I'm not gonna lie. They did their thing with this wig, baby, because I was expecting it to be trash because it was only $70. But excuse the noise in the background, it's fire for real. It's definitely fire. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. And that's all I had to come over here and say. Go get y'all this wig, because it's too fire and it's hella cheap. And y'all know Hot Girl Summer is coming up. Well, Hot Girl Summer is here, baby. So you gotta keep the hair did, nails did, everything did. My nails ain't did because I had to do this wig and I cannot do wigs with nails. But yeah, I'm going to get mine done tomorrow, so yeah. But anyways, go get y'all this wig. Bye.